Okay, I'm starting work on this theft recovery Polaris Sportsman 500. I'm going to start tearing apart the side cover. I just needed some suggestions on what should I be looking out for when it comes to a bad stator. I'm going to start taking off all the plastic here. I'm going to try not to touch any of the rear plastic. I don't really want to get into doing that. Primarily the side plastic here. But any suggestions on what to look out for, any suggestions on which wires to test would be greatly appreciated. I'll talk to them later. Please keep redneck like always, and please try and comment.